In this video, I am going to show you how to add a contributor to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So to add a contributor to your Wix website, at first you need to log into your Wix account. Now we are going to hover over the site for which we want to add a collaborator and then click and select and edit site. After that, from the left menu, we are going to click on settings. Now here we will see an option roles and permissions, so we are going to click on it. Here you will see all the website users. Now to invite new contributor, from the top just click on invite collaborators. Now here you need to enter the email of your contributor. After that you can select the role of your contributor from here, and below the roles you will also see its permissions. Or you can also click on view role permissions to check out all the permissions of any role. After that just select the role from here, and then from the top just click on send invite. Now you can select any option from here and then click on done. And in this way invitation will be sent to your contributor, and once the invitation is accepted, they can manage your website easily. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.